Truveta Symposium is a unique event that we think only Truveta can do. We're bringing together our life science customers along with our health system members for a unique opportunity to network, to communicate, to share research ideas, and to really consider how together we can further our mission of saving lives with data. This has been such an exciting event. Truveta is still only a 3-year-old company, and so it's quite inspiring to see us go from an idea to a real product, to real solutions, to real customers and members working hard together. Coming out of the COVID pandemic, one of the things that's most inspiring about the creation of Truveta is this shared spirit of partnership, an opportunity to advance care together. We've had the opportunity to hear from world-leading researchers in important areas of cardiology, maternal health, social drivers of health, and a wide variety of other research that really helps us understand both the current landscape of healthcare in America, along with solutions that Truveta data can uniquely provide.
Seeing all the life sciences and member partners here at the Truveta Symposium has enlightened my thinking around how to use and partner with Truveta on improving operations and connecting to research.
I'm fascinated by what a large language model that's trained against the entire corpus of 100 million patients worth of Truveta data could do.
The highlights of the symposium for me are really twofold. One is to see how different groups are thinking about the data and the possibilities. And then the second thing is just the connections with a really wide variety of folks.
Something that I have really loved about all of our presentations is they've been highly interactive. We have a lot of experts here, and it's a fantastic opportunity for all of us to learn from each other. We're so grateful for our participants from healthcare, from life science, and from our own Truveta team. This has been an incredibly special couple of days. We can't wait to do it again.
I just have this really heartfelt thank you to all of our members and customers that made the trip to Seattle to talk about how we're going to save lives with data together.